Electricity generation is possible in various ways, and today I'll show you one of the methods of generating electricity using gravity. It's a self-gravity engine that I designed based on the use of gravity and suspended wheels. In fact, the key point of this idea is the use of the suspended wheels to enable rotational motion from gravity. If you're interested in knowing the technical details of this invention, I recommend that you read the article of this idea, which is linked in the description of this video. I also invite you to see the article of my other inventions on the Sciences Planet website. First, let's look at the structure design of the gravity motor tree. As you can see, there are a number of wheels suspended on a support base. Some of these wheels are the main driving force, and some are the secondary driving force to help the main wheels move continuously. There are two main wheels in tan color, one in the upper position of the structure and the other in the opposite angle at the bottom of the structure. The torque of the lower wheel is transmitted via bolt to the upper wheel, and the shaft of the upper wheel is directly connected to the generator shaft. Each of these wheels has two suspended hydraulic mechanical arms mounted on it, so gravity pulls these suspended arms towards themselves and causing the wheel to spin. The path of movement of the arm is only in a horizontal line, and two suspended weights are mounted on each arm, which are pulled forward and then backward as the wheel moves. This hammering motion creates a pressure charge on the wheel's rotation and ensures constant rotation. To help keep the movement, I used two other suspended wheels, which you see in black in this video. These wheels are located on the main wheels at a 37-degree angle. This slope causes the gravitational drag to pull them towards the main wheel, and since the wheels are connected to the suspended support arm, they slide on the outer surface of the main wheels instead of falling, leads to a faster and more continuous rotation of the gravity motor. Inside each of the black wheels, I've placed two very small suspender wheels that slide on the inner surface of the black wheel ring using a 37-degree slope by a spring holder. These very small wheels ensure the continuous movement of their parent wheel by creating a constant gravitational pressure on their suspended ring. There are 5 gravity engine structures which are connected to the shaft of a synchronous generator to produce electricity. This gravity engine does not require an initial start by push force because the Earth's gravity forces the wheels to rotate at all times. In simulation tests using engineering software, the result of numerous tests that were conducted were successful in conditions that fully correspond to the behavior of real-world physical parameters. In this video, I briefly explain how gravity engine theory works, but more detail related to the mathematical calculation and physics of this gravity engine are explained in its article on the Sciences Planet website. My name is Pourahmad. You can contact me via the email in the credit list at the end of this video if you're interested in purchasing the right of this idea. Thank you for watching.